Hi guys, I'm Dan from Nitro Composites. Today I'm going to show you some of our carbon fibre products for the Audi RS4, B8 and B8.5 models, which covers years 2012 to 2015, running the 4.2 litre V8 FSI engine. First we have the engine cover, which is one of our most popular products, followed by the radiator cover, which is also known as a slam panel, and finally this small cover for the expansion tank. The engine cover and the expansion tank cover also fit the Audi RS5 for years 2011 to 2015, as this runs the same engine. We will also have a slam panel available for both the pre and post facelift RS5, which you'll be able to find on our webpage as soon as they are available. Let's pop the hood and get started. We'll start with the engine cover. This acts as a direct replacement to the original plastic engine cover and takes a matter of seconds to install. As with all of our parts, it is supplied in a high gloss finish. The Audi badges can easily be transferred from your original cover, or you can buy them from your local Audi dealer. You can see here we have taken the original cover off the car as it's simply unclipped with no tools required, and our carbon cover fits directly in its place. The expansion tank cover is designed to fit directly over the top of the tank, so this also just takes a few seconds to install. You may choose to fit this with some adhesive tape on the rear side, but it is not essential as the cover is not able to move once fitted. Finally, the radiator cover. Again, you can see here we have already removed the original plastic panel, which simply unclips along the front edge of the car and removing 4 plastic pins towards the rear of the part, which you will now see us reinstall with our new panel.
For the slam panel, we need to apply some double-sided tape to the front sealing edge of the car. Now we can simply slot the new panel in place and reinstall our plastic retaining clips.
If you would like to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. We have lots of new products on the way. For the RS4 and RS5, we have some carbon exhaust tips just around the corner, some carbon airbox covers to complete the engine bay, and some more parts for the exterior of the car. All of the products in this video have been made in-house here at Nitro Composites. We use only the best quality fabrics and resin systems in our products, which are highly UV stable, and each part is post-cured in one of our high temperature ovens to withstand the heat experienced on engine bay components, as well as exterior parts which have a high sunlight exposure. If you are looking to have something custom made in carbon fibre, please get in touch via our website or any of our social media platforms.